This video is for educational purposes and does not constitute any financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any crypto investment projects. How to invest in cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency has become a popular investment option in recent years, with many people seeing it as a potentially lucrative opportunity. However, investing in cryptocurrency can be confusing and risky, especially for those who are new to the market. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips on how to invest in cryptocurrency. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos. Step 1. Do your research. The first step to investing in cryptocurrency is to do your research. You should learn about the different types of cryptocurrencies available, how they work, and their potential for growth. You should also research the market trends, news, and any regulatory changes that may affect the value of cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Choose an exchange. Once you have done your research, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are many exchanges available, such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. You should compare the fees, security measures, and user experience of different exchanges before choosing one. Step 3. Set up your account. After choosing an exchange, you need to set up your account. This usually involves providing your personal information, such as your name, address, and email address. You may also need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, to verify your identity. Step 4. Fund your account. To buy cryptocurrencies, you need to fund your exchange account. You can usually do this by linking your bank account or credit card to the exchange. Some exchanges also accept other forms of payment, such as PayPal or cryptocurrencies. Step 5. Buy cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, you can buy cryptocurrency. You should choose the cryptocurrency you want to invest in and place an order on the exchange. You can usually choose to buy at the current market price or set a limit order for a specific price. Step 6. Secure your cryptocurrency. After buying cryptocurrency, it's important to secure it properly. You should transfer it to a secure wallet, either a hardware wallet or a software wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your cryptocurrency offline, while a software wallet is an online application that can be downloaded onto your computer or smartphone. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a lucrative opportunity, but it's important to do your research, choose a reputable exchange, and secure your cryptocurrency properly. As with any investment, it's important to understand the risks involved and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.